Hello everybody, my name's Susan and today I have the pleasure of introducing to you my partner Cathy MacHold. Cathy is a baking instructor and she teaches a class called Mastering 2 Pies in 2 hours. It's a 3-hour course where there is setup and cleanup, which is obviously the part the students don't like. The fun part is the tasting, the baking, and being able to take the pies home. The 2 pies in particular that she teaches are French style pies. One is an apple cranberry and the other is a lemon tart. So I'm sure they're very yummy. Anybody want to take her course? I'm sure she'd love to have you. One thing my partner does for fun is that her and her husband own a small vineyard where they make wine, and they produce a grape called the Cabernet Franc grape. I'm sure it's delicious, and it must be because they just received notice that they won a bronze medal in California at the 2019 State Fair. So that's pretty exciting. Congratulations, Cathy, and I can't wait to taste your wine and your pies.